Check out his thriller, Too Decent to Die, a novel set in the murky streets of Atlantic City, where desperation and danger go hand in hand. With echoes of Michael Connelly's The Lincoln Lawyer, the psychological depth of Gillian Flynn's Gone Girl, and the crisp dialogue of Elmore Leonard, Rum Punch. This story explores the blurred boundaries between justice, vengeance, and redemption. A down-on-his-luck private eye struggling to make a name for himself gets a break when the owner of a local supermarket hires him to investigate a humiliating robbery. Little does he know, the same desperate man has devised a chilling plan to leave his mark on the world by targeting society's untouchables, its most slimy, ruthless billionaires. But as the PI closes in, he finds himself entangled with the villain's pay-for-play sexy mistress. In a tense and emotionally charged climax, the assassin is confronted by the PI and the woman where loyalty and betrayal collide. Complex characters and twisting plots that will keep you guessing until the final page. Mr. Mascolo states, Too Decent to Die will resonate with fans of gritty, emotionally driven thrillers. It's sexy, a bit violent, and a great read. It is available on Amazon.com in ebook, paperback, and hardbound. While you're there, check out Mr. Mascolo's other works, The Pogo Stick Kid Gold in the Sky, Scoundrels and Seafarers, New Jersey's Privateer and Pirate Past, as well as Too Decent to Die.